won't be able to resist yourself with how amazing these gadgets are. Let's see them. Number 11. Static 360 Square Dance. The Static 360 Square Dance is a magnetic charging cable that works with all devices and can quickly charge Apple Lightning, micro USB, Android, and USB-C ones. The wire's made of nylon braid that can't be broken. This keeps your phone safe from damage caused by frayed or cheap cords that get too hot. The cord doesn't get tangled and has 3 plugs: USB-C, Lightning, Apple, and micro USB. It works with Apple, Samsung, Motorola, Lenovo, LG, Windows, Linux, Android, iPhones, and iPads. The wire is either 3.3 or 6.6 feet long and comes with a cable wrap and a silicone tip organizer. The plugs are magnetic tips that you can put on your gadgets to make them simple to use. The cord can be turned all the way around to make charging, playing games, watching movies, and streaming shows as easy as possible. You can buy the cable for $12.97. Number 10. Super Bike Horn. You can stay safe while riding with the Super Bike Horn, which is a useful and reliable tool. It can be found in the Kazaa Spot Pan Tilt, the Kazaa Cam Outdoor, the Kazaa Smart Doorbell, and other products. It's easy to set up and use any Super Bike Horn. You can get to them from anywhere with the Super Bike Horn app. The software, which works on both iOS and Android devices, lets you watch live video feeds, get alerts, and control the cameras from afar. You can buy the Super Bike Horn on Amazon. Number 9. Manscaped the Handyman. Manscaped the Handyman is a small portable face shaver made to make getting ready on the go easy. It has a skin-safe blade head and a combination long hair leveler and foil shaver blades that can comfortably fit the shape of your face to get rid of 3 days worth of stubble. The device has a lithium-ion battery that charges quickly and can run for up to 60 minutes. If you're in a hurry, you can also charge it in 5 minutes. It's waterproof and you can run it under the tap to make cleaning easy. It also comes with a magnetic cap that keeps things clean and makes storage easy. The Handyman from Manscaped can be bought on the Manscaped website. Number 8. Hi-Five H1 Hair Scalp Massager. The Hi-Five H1 Hair Scalp Massager can be used to clean a variety of electronic devices and is easy to carry around. It comes with 20 cleaning tools that can be used on MacBooks, iPads, iPhones, tablets, PCs, screens, and camera lenses, among other things. As well as cleaning brushes and a dust fan, the set comes with a screen cleaning cloth and other specialized cleaning tools. The package is also small and easy to carry, which makes it great for trips. You can buy the Hi-Five H1 Hair Scalp Massager on Amazon. Number 7. Zima Blade. Zima Blade is a single-board server for people who grew up with computers and want to get their cloud back. It has up to 16 gigabytes of DDR3L RAM, 2 SATA 3 ports, USB 3, and the ability to play 4K videos at 60 Hz. The device is made to stay connected to your network and the internet. It has Ethernet built in and a full-function C port for growth. Customizing PCIe, SATA, and USB has never been easier than with this tool. You can make the perfect setup for your needs. The device is movable, open source, and can be customized, which makes it a useful tool for home lab tinkerers and networking fans. It comes with a basic backup of a 12-word list that's easy to get to, and you can upgrade to Shamir Backup for more security and more word lists. The gadget's approved by CE and RoHS, which means it meets all quality, dependability, and environmental standards. The device is made of strong PMMA plastic and has a hidden tilt effect, anodized metal backplates, precise buttons, and laser engraving that makes it impossible to tamper with. For $64, you can buy the gadget. Number 6. Adjustable Lazy Stand Easy Tablet Book Holder. The adjustable Lazy Stand Easy Tablet Book Holder is a flexible and useful add-on that holds your tablet, e-reader, or book securely so you can read or watch your favorite media without having to hold it for long amounts of time. It's small and light, and it fits easily into tote bags, backpacks, and carry-ons. The stand is 37 centimeters long, 19.69 centimeters wide, and 12.6 inches high. It's made of an aluminum metal. A touch control feature on the device makes it easy to change the temperature and other settings. The adjustable Lazy Stand Easy Tablet Book Holder can be bought from Mavigadget. Number 5. Aper Surfer S1. The Aper Surfer S1 is a robotic pool surface skimmer that's driven by the sun and meant to get rid of unwanted particles in your pool. The brushless motor in the Surfer S1 moves the paddle wheel-shaped device around your pool, making sure it cleans the surface well and collects trash. The solar gadget can work for 10 hours straight on a single charge. The Surfer S1 simplifies your skimmer's cleaning path, making it more efficient and covering more ground for a smoother cleaning experience. Ultrasonic monitors in the equipment can find, protect, and clean even the edges of the pool. It can be controlled by an app and has 2 cleaning modes. This gadget can be bought on Aiper's website for $399. Number 4. HiDi's AP80 Pro X. The HiDi's AP80 Pro X is a portable music player that stands out because of how small it is and how well it sounds. The 2 high-speed ESS 921-9C DAC chips, the HBC 3000 FPGA chip, and support for MQA audio technology make it possible for great sound quality and performance. The screen is a 2.45-inch touchscreen, and the gadget works with Bluetooth AAC, Bluetooth 4.2, and UAT technology. It also has a 2-way USB DAC, Sony LDAC, CSR aptX, and SE 3.5mm and BAL 2.5mm jacks. The gadget can count steps and read ebooks. The HiDi's AP80 Pro X is a small device that fits in your pocket. It supports MQA technology, which lets you playback high-quality MQA audio files and streams. It's made to be a small, unnoticeable part of your outfit and is simple to put on. Number 3. Lex Bionic Chair. Wearing the Lex Bionic Chair is like having an exoskeleton that lets you sit anywhere with good balance and makes your backpack feel light. It's made to put your spine back in its normal position, which lowers your risk of pain, injury, and strain. The Lex Bionic Chair is the first exoskeleton that can be folded up and used anywhere. It lets you sit in perfect posture and takes away the weight of your backpack. It's made to be a small, unnoticeable part of your outfit, and it's simple to put on. The Lex Bionic Chair is made by Astride Bionics, a business that makes tech that you can wear. It's made to be comfy and great for using on the way to work. It's also meant to keep your shoulders from getting hurt by making your backpack feel like it's flying on air. Number 2. ABCOTEC Instant Pop-Up Green Privacy Tent. It's easy to move and set up the ABCOTEC Instant Pop-Up Green Privacy Tent, which is also very light. It gives you a private place right away to use the bathroom or potty, take a shower outside, change clothes, or do other things. The tent is 47 inches by 47 inches by 75 inches and has a side window that lets you see outside while still keeping you away from other people at the beach. The package comes with a pop-up canopy tent, a carrying bag, 4 metal fixing pegs, an extra built-in bag for your phone, keys, or wallet, and a clothesline that you can use to dry your clothes and towels. The tent is made of strong fabric and can be used in the forest, on the beach, in the park, or by the pool. You can buy the tent on Amazon for $39.99. Number 1. Rimguard Wheel Lock. The Swedish company Rimguard invented the Rimguard Wheel Lock, which makes wheels safer by making it impossible to reach the bolts. It's made of very strong 6082 aluminum metal, and it's meant to keep car wheels from being stolen. When you put the wheel lock on the wheel, metal against metal, it grows inside the center of the rim to lock it in place. Assa Abloy made the locking cylinders, which can be locked with a tool or a pick. Rimguard Wheel Lock works with many car brands such as Honda, Toyota, Nissan, Dodge, BMW, Mercedes, Volvo, and more. People can buy the Rimguard Wheel Lock straight from the company's online stores. It's made to be a high-quality aftermarket lock. People who've bought from the company have said good things about its customer service. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for more.